The very first thing I'm going to do is start with the most popular activity, which is search. Now, I'm going to be doing a search for Nancy Bird Walton, the early Australian aviator, because I love Nancy Bird Walton, and you're going to see this same search cropping up in quite a few of the different demonstrations I'm doing today. So I hope you like her as much as I do. Now, what I'm doing first is a basic search. I'm searching across all of the categories. Now, categories are what we now call zones in Trove. The new name is categories. I will talk a little bit more about this as we go through. So searching all categories for Nancy Bird Walton. So this is our new search results page. The search results will first show, if I've done a search across all of the categories, the top 3 most relevant results for each category. So as you can see here, I have 3 results from newspapers, which is the first category that comes up. As I've mentioned, you can click these green buttons here at the end of the top 3 results to see all. 3 results from magazines and newsletters, 3 from images, maps and artifacts, research and reports, books and libraries, diaries, letters and archives, music, audio, video, people and organisations, websites and lists.